Hi guys! Welcome to my mini vlog! Hi guys! Welcome to my mini vlog, and for today's video, we're gonna try to do a river walk. Ta-da! So I'm excited. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna try it later and I'll show it to you. I'll be back to you soon.
To San Antonio to the Riverwalk. My name is Larissa. We're talking about 30 minutes, 2.5 miles round trip. We don't get lost. A few safety tips before you get started though, please stay seated. So keep everything inside the rails. You may have your hands on top of them to feel whatever's around you. Right over this, tightly on me. Now if you want to get those cameras ready, hop out. Right over this bridge. I'll go down the trail. That's not nothing to hurt. All you have to do is put your head all the way back and look up at the very top of the building on my left hand side. All the way up to the top on my left.
Top and your left.
Pretty cool, right? Kind of just looks like a wall standing there. You are looking at the former Nick's Hospital. Usually if you walk through the atrium, you'd be about a block away from the Alamo. But it's blocked off because they're doing construction up in front of the Alamo. What I've been told is that they're going to make it into a huge plaza so we can rid of the streets and some of the buildings. Plaza, and then part of the once they're done. That happens to be the American flag. Because Texas used to be its own country.
Oh,
really? The Union joined us in 1845.
Is it really?
On our right hand side is the casino building. Opened in 1927 as a private German business club. Today offers commercial business on the first two floors. Top floors are for business. And the casino building, it was never a casino. This area that we're in is called River Square. Renovated in 1972 as a variety of restaurants. Each restaurant has the menu right on that entrance. Now if you're looking for it, come down here, take a browser up. Right, is the Clifford building. On the balcony, you're going to see Robert Husband's name. He was the architect who was here in San Antonio. We'll talk about that over here. And there's Robert Husband over there on the right.
This one?
Right next to it on the right, I see Orbit Mexican restaurant on the river. Opened in 1926, owned by German family for about 5 generations. 85 years, all certified Chinese, no recipes. On the day our company got started, it was the best. Extended their guests and sit down waiting for a table so they can go on the ride. When they come back from their ride, their table was set. And that's how we all got started. And they used to use gondolier, the power of the Americans. Centerpiece for the 1968 Tennis Fair World Fair. Second 3 Tennis Towers in America, and about 750 homes. There's an observation deck up there. Cost for that about over $15. There's also a restaurant up there. Makes one full picture every hour, which is a great deal. And there are stairs that go all the way up to the top of the tower. 954 to be exact. Every year on September 11th, our firefighters show up in their here and run up and down the stairs as many times as they can to commemorate the happens on 9/11. Members of the community enjoy it.
What?
But they actually used to have marathons for people who want to know how long they would last after they're walking up the steps. 5 minutes is that fastest record, and I'll never do that again. Because it's more time we're going to write down in our
I don't know.
That is the Stargazer. She's been there since 2022. She's made out of concrete. The artisan looking your interpretation on what she's looking at for her star. Maybe a future over to downtown.
Yana Gwana.
Yana Gwana. We're coming into the most dangerous part of the river.
Why is dangerous?
The shop river center opened up in 1980. One of the largest malls in San Antonio. Inside the mall, you'll also find a Dave & Buster's, a Legoland, and a Sea Life aquarium. So, in between, well, the mall and the Alamo, you know they're right next to each other, but in between the mall and the Alamo, there's a hotel. It's called the Minker Hotel. One of the most haunted hotels on this side of the Mississippi. At the Minker Bar is where Teddy Roosevelt and his Rough Riders were being acted. Some people say they still see Teddy Roosevelt at the bar. That's how they ever see it. In his honor, a couple of years later, the city will take the river's name. That statue was a gift from Portugal during the 1968 Tennis Fair World Fair. In Las Windows, imported from Munich, Germany. After the trees, we'll see a little bit of a better view. That's a little tough to see overall because they're doing they were built along the church, so they were forced to build around it. He said no matter how much conflict we're in, which is the top of look pretty, they actually serve a purpose. They're used to irrigate the river, which was specialized. The sculpture up there on the right is from the Bristol Western Art Museum. The Bristol opened up in 2013. It's magnified Portuguese last known battle, Santa Anna sword, the uniform they wore during the Battle of the Alamo. There's even an interactive diorama of the Battle of the Alamo. If you have kids, check out the Bristol. My left and to my right, they're all over the river because they're native to the river walk. Let's marry into island. I'm off to every wedding, apart from 4 a year, averaging about 1 per day. They say when you get married on this island, it brings good luck to your marriage. Also, people are getting married back here, they don't realize they're both their passing by. That'll stand up and yell, don't do it. Great round of flowers, this was a place city. It was also very popular wide crossing. It was a shallow, flat hard path. When they drove the wide across, they just loaded and reloaded. Opened up in 1836, it is the largest, oldest institutional courthouse in the state of Texas. And I promise you, I've only been there one time. Just once. Look over here on my left. This is the Tower Life Building. Opened up June 1st, 1929 as a Smith Young Tower. Steel way up high, see some gargoyles. And these grotesques, which are the only things inside. They're in the neo-Gothic architecture, and they're known to ward off people here in the building. And also, we're going to get out of lucky number 4. This lucky comes up like a special. Look down there to my left. It looks like the river. Here's back there. Really does. There's about a 15-foot drop. Here, straight down the urban area. Reason being, September 9th, 1921, San Antonio.
Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoy watching the river walk of San Antonio. And yeah, my producer friend, my partner say that
remember to press that like button and press that subscribe button.